All right, John, good morning. Let me try this again. There's your problem right there. The relay. The reason I know it was a relay is I took and I pushed. An old relay was in. I took a screwdriver and pushed this down, keyed it up, and everything was fine. So I have you a brand new relay in here. It's getting so hard to find quality stuff anymore. They used to make some really nice black relays, but seems all this is all they're making now. So in the trash it goes. Ha. All right, here we go. Operate. Single sideband delay is working. Alright. Amp PEP. 2500 watt slug. Hello audio, got down. Hello audio, got down. Alright. This is 128.79. Driving 628.79s. Alright, man. That is it. Alright. And we don't seem to have it be having any volt drops. It's really 14.5. Hello audio. It's nothing. Alright. Everything seems to be kosher. I will be getting in touch with you. This is absolutely nothing that is your fault. It is absolutely a warranty repair. John, I appreciate it, man. And thank you so very much for being such a good sport about this. I take care of my customers, so everything is not a problem here. It's my fault. I take care of it, except for transistors. So not forever though. If this was a variable volt amp, it would have absolutely no warranty on it at all. You do have a 6-month warranty on this. And that is everything but the LEDs in the fans and the transistors. So we're good to go. One more time. AM. Hello audio, got down. Alright. That's it. Catch you later, John. You take care, man. And I'll catch you later. 73s. Cell Block 6, Fat Cat Amps, Alley Cat Town, Alabama, and I'm gone.